Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in this 2012 Nissan LEAF is right here under the hood. And it's easy to get to, but this is an all-electric car. So because of that, and before you begin a project like this, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to connect the host battery to the vehicle's battery cables to keep the computer's memories alive as we replace the battery. Next, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable and remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Next, loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. And remove the battery hold-down bracket. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle and install the replacement battery. Then reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And retighten the fasteners. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten the fastener. Now we can remove our host battery and we're done.